What a view from our room in Macleodganj. First stop, Bagsunak Temple. And then we move on to Bagsunak waterfall trek. It's an easy 15-minute trek. Waterfall is almost dry, but it's worth a visit. Next stop, St. John's Church. This place has a spooky vibe. Next stop, a small lake called Dal Lake. And finally, Nutty. This place is great and a must visit for all who comes to Macleodganj. Also, we went to Dharamshala War Memorial. Ended the day with shopping and good Tibetan food in Macleod Mall Road. Enjoy some cinematic shots of Macleodganj. Bye for now.